depression and stress, and I was like, I had
like,
like
her
a neck
parents
and like back issues.
Like see.
Oh,
Well,
really?
she came to Detroit and she I want to like grants. I want to save the neighborhood. I want to start.
I say like make Detroit.
I know,
nicer,
and she like had the same dream I lied to is.
Oh, you guys had the same dream of helping people and bringing people together spiritually,
Yeah,
spiritually, musically, and
she wanted to build. She want to build up the community and stuff. You know.
yeah, I understand that.
I filled out like this form in my college class, like fall 2014. My teacher told us, "Oh, you guys could, do this nice challenge," and so I did it, but I didn't win it.
Oh.
I didn't win any money to do what I was trying to do. Like I was trying to like clean people's spirits around Detroit because I felt like, well, since this place is like so like corrupt, it's like
So
people need.
So what does the Rock Club the foundation do exactly?
So the Rock Club Foundation is a dream that I've been pursuing since high school. It started by a group of high school kids, and as artists, we kind of started helping the young artists at my school, and then just kind of grow. Like I did a bunch of programs with the artists I did. So we started doing the first major Rock Club event was like a big fundraiser we did for charity to raise money for like Hurricane Katrina, and then we raised money for we did a few different hurricane relief things, and then we did like a
that's nice.
And then we did like a Humane Society concert, and then we started doing a bunch because the thing is like we started out just playing music as the Rock Club as an artist, and then
so you're taking in donations that way?
No, but first we just kind of did book concerts for just because.
Oh, I got you.
They wasn't fundraisers. They were just like, like community jams session for young people. So we book out a venue, and by the time we booked the venue cost like about $500, and by the time you get everything you need to let them have the venue, it costs you about $500.
That's expensive, yeah.
Which is you want to have a venue to do a concert, so it costing us $500. So we're trying to charge $5 or $8 or something at the door. It takes a lot of
cover charge.
It takes a lot of kids to cover just the door fee. So
a
lot of times we actually lost money on the. So I actually put these events on.
So you guys started like in Ann Arbor doing this?
No, I started this in Destin, Florida.
Oh, yeah, that's where you're from, is Destin, Florida, yeah.
So we started doing a Rock Club Foundation as a way for young people to come together and play music and do different like shows and stuff. So we started doing and we really stand up for like artists, and then we started doing fundraisers, and then we learned that by doing fundraisers we can give back to the community, and we have the place, and then people will even donate the space for us to do the venue, so we actually could and more people comes out to the event, so we get better support.
Okay.
And so it's just better. I feel like it's better as artists to be stewards of our community. We can actually use our art to give back to the community and be part of the community.
And Ann Arbor needs some help, like with the homeless people. I saw in this Ann Arbor County group that I'm in that apparently the homeless people, they're like growing over there, and I guess they're getting like rude, and they asked people, hey, can you give me that food?
Yeah, I know there's a lot of homeless there. They used to have a homeless camp off the freeway or something, but it got shut down.
Really?
Yeah, it was off of 94, I think.
I think I saw something
14 and 94 or something.
But why?
I don't know. I mean, they probably weren't. I don't know if they're causing trouble or what.
A lot of people going out of Ann Arbor because it's so hard to live in Detroit. But I mean, in Detroit, there's a lot of vacant houses for them to live. The problem is, what we need to do is have because the city, all they want to do is knock down all the houses, and they don't want to fix them up. And they need to fix if they spend the same.
Oh, you mean in
they really do need people to be
in Detroit, right?
To like be building tiny homes for these freaking homeless people. What are we supposed to do with them?
Yeah, I know.
Or fix up the houses so they can live, and they need to have
because the homeless population is an epidemic, and
What is up with that?
and
Mentally
well,
ill?
it's hard to find jobs that pay enough for the rent. The rent keeps going up all the time,
And
they
need
So
more.
no one can afford it.
And they
How
need
can
more.
we
They
do
need
this?
more.
Like, live in the
They need more
forest?
of a community.
I know.
We need more community effort.
Yeah, people helping the community any way you can. Absolutely.
We have the mentally ill. You know, so there's so much
Sure.
mentally ill in the big cities that we need to have community centers to help deal with the
mentally ill and alcoholics and
And I'm not
drug addicts and things.
I don't think I have the resources or capability.
Like you're not.
Yeah, but other people could, and they could help. But I'm gonna.
Yes, please help people.
I'm gonna conclude the video because
you have anything
I
else
only
to
have
ask
so
me,
much
or-
space on. I only have so much space on my phone. That's why.
Oh yeah. Did you have any? Because he's talking, but you like, what did you want to ask me?
basically, the Rock Club Foundation.
Well, you pretty much gave
let me
Okay, cool.
reiterate what the Rock Club
Yeah, because
Foundation.
I want to wrap up in 1 minute.
The Rock Club Foundation is a nonprofit that brings artists together to be stewards of our community, and I want to build. I'm trying to build creative and community events throughout the country, and especially here in Detroit. And I'm trying to reach out and work with bringing artists together, and I'm trying to build like an artist. So here I'm trying to build an artist community.
Yeah.
Because there's so many artists that need homes.
Right.
All across America that I could build like a community for them to house all the homeless.
And both of you gonna do that together, right?
You know, and not just the homeless people. I mean, there's a lot of homeless people in Detroit, but we need to help. Like, I want to definitely up the skill of the people that I want to release out to. I want to have people that actually have subscribers or pass. You know, I want to start getting. I need drug test kits and stuff. So make sure that I definitely want to mainly help just struggling artists and disabled people and
veterans, yeah, and people who are good people who want to help, who want to give back to the community, even the homeless people who want to give back to the community in any way they can, you know.
And they got to be definitely, and I'm not trying to attract the wrong people but it's hard because most of the people that need help they also have a lot of issues. So it's like,
yeah.
But eventually.
But I gotta wrap it up because my phone only has so much memory. I'm sorry, but
I've been selling a bunch of my art, but otherwise, I don't know. I've been having a hard time finding floral business.
Yeah, she's
selling.
They go downtown to Detroit and stuff. They make a lemonade. Maybe you can make iced tea next time.
Yeah,
iced tea and lemonade, and bring some flowers down there. Yeah.
We just want to make people smile. We want to inspire other people to make people smile. You know?
Amen to that. Well, check out Eric the Goat Man here on YouTube, you guys.
Yeah.
And I'll put the link down when I upload this video. Okay, peace, love, light, and happiness, everybody. Bye-bye.